Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Home Assistant for Z-Wave device pairing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the IP address of your Home Assistant instance. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Wait for the Home Assistant login page to load. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password into the password field. Make sure to double-check your credentials for accuracy. Once you've entered your login details, click the Login button. This will take you to the Home Assistant dashboard. Now that you are logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Configuration option. Click on Configuration to access the Settings menu. In the Configuration menu, look for the Integrations tab. Click on Integrations to see a list of available integrations. In the bottom right corner, you will see a button labeled Add Integration. Click on Add Integration to initiate the process. In the search bar, begin typing Z-Wave. Select Z-Wave from the list of available integrations. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the Z-Wave setup. This may involve installing necessary add-ons if prompted. Once the Z-Wave integration is activated, you can start pairing your devices. Make sure your Z-Wave devices are powered on and in pairing mode. Return to the Z-Wave integration page within Home Assistant. Click on the Add Node option to add your Z-Wave device. Wait for Home Assistant to detect the Z-Wave device. Once detected, follow any additional instructions to complete the pairing process. After successfully pairing the device, you should see it listed in your Z-Wave network. You can now customize settings for your new Z-Wave device through the Home Assistant interface. Be sure to test the device to ensure it is functioning correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.